So here are our bunnies for sinking Bruno the bunny. And first, let's say I have some water here and some oil. And then I have another piece of chocolate. They said, let's see what other candies are going to sink. So let's first put him in the water. He's floating around over there. Now let's try the oil. Let's see what happens. He's really floating. He's starting to sink in the oil though. Alright, now I'm going to try to get the air out of the marshmallow. This is what Tanaya did. Let's see if her experiment worked. Okay. He's going to sink. Yep, he sinks out. I don't have that much oil in there. So the oil, they sink in, but the water, they're going to float. And it's because liquids have different densities. So density has to do with how much mass there is in a substance, and some materials are denser. So they said chocolate is supposed to be denser, and others are less dense, such as marshmallows. And then the liquids have different density as well. Oh, look at this water's turning a little bit pink, I think. No, maybe it's just the reflection. If you look down here, it looks pink. See? Just the reflection. Okay, so, and then I have this cool cup here we're going to try. Can you guess what's in here? We've got some dish soap, things I had in the house. Water, which is very carefully separated. And vegetable oil. And we're going to see what happens when I dunk the chocolate and the marshmallow in there as well. Alright, so honey is denser than water. And water is denser than oil. So, objects will sink more easily in the less dense liquid. That's why the bunny sank all the way to the bottom of this bowl in the oil. And he's still floating along in the water. Okay? Because the water is more dense than the oil. So it said, try layering different layers. Let's see what happens with this one. So we've got the dish soap, water, and oil. What happens? Oh, he's floating. So I push him all the way down. If he's so, oh, nope, keeps it coming up. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this one hand here. They say chocolate is supposed to be. This is chocolate is denser than this marshmallow. So let's see. Do we think the chocolate is going to float in the 3 layers? Let's see what happens. It went down. Well, the chocolate definitely went down past the water. And it's stuck on the dish soap. Well, it went through the oil, actually. It went through the oil. The water's at the bottom. The dish soap's in between. That's pretty cool. So we can tell how dense things are by how much it sank through. Look, the chocolate's starting to sink. It's going down. It's not floating like that marshmallow. Pretty cool. Now, what to do with all the leftover marshmallows? I think my dad's going to eat them. So if you didn't get a chance to do this experiment, now you can see what happens. Not too messy. You can try any kind of liquids to see. Now remember, the water is more dense, so it's going to make it float in the water. It should sink in other types of liquids. And you could also separate your liquids with food coloring. If I had food coloring, you'd be able to see where the water was here. And it's separated. But look at how the chocolate just sank down to the next level, but the marshmallow stayed floating. Cool. I hope you enjoyed that. Can't wait to do these projects with you in person. Bye, guys.